Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Anyway. In this video, what about I talk to you for how to fix Windows level update error. Then error code KB5062553 error. Download error. You are get it. Simply few methods. That methods try to this error fix it. Okay. Before that, like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe and one by one follow to this problem fix it. Okay, let's go ahead. Then first step. Then first step for the services. So open to the search bar. Then type that services. Then go to below, find Windows Update, then right click, then Properties, then Service Status Stopped. It is most important issue. So Start button click here to started. Then Apply and OK button click here to close it. It is running. Change it. Okay, now close it. Again one time go to Windows Update. Check it. Still running. Then your error. So come to next step. That step command promote. So open the search bar. Then type that command promote. Run as administrator. Yes, click here. Now go to your browser and type that Windows installation assistant not working. Select it. Then go to the next this website. Click here to go to below. This code copy. Next this copy to paste. After that exit. Then still this problem running, then only go to the next step, troubleshoot Windows update. So one time check it, go to the settings, and type that Windows update. Find and fixing problem with Windows update. Click here. Taskbar open it, then on tab open it, then Windows update click here to below. Next checking that your bending restart. Okay, it is resolving problems. Wait here. Okay, it is finished it, then close it. Close it, then go to the again settings, Windows update, check it. Still running, then only go to the next step. That step corrupted files sometimes. So open to the your file explorer. Local disk C Windows. Then go to below, find software distribution. Double tap to open that folder. Selected all. Then delete button click here to all files. Delete. Again try again. It is fully deleted. Delete it after that only. Come to back. Go to the start menu. Then power key press. Restart button click here to restart your system. After that your problem fix it. Then go to the one time check it your Windows update. So go to the search bar. Then type that settings. Windows update selected. Here install all. Click into check it. Then your problem fix it. Thanks for watching and like and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want more videos or more information, subscribe our YouTube channel. Comment section, go to comment.